Hi, welcome back to my video. Yes, today I have a really interesting video for you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great wherever you are. In case you're not subscribed to my channel, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. If you're new to my channel, yeah, go on, do what you have to do to subscribe channel, please. And for all you good folks who have been with me for all these years, thank you so much for your support. I would, love to have your continued support. So let's just dive right in. If you are seeing, this exact same outfit as in one of the videos that I recorded earlier, I'm sorry, I didn't get a chance to change my outfit because I don't really have the time to do all my videos proper, so I decided to record like a couple of videos back to back and in the same day, in the same outfit, in the same car, let's just dive right in. As you can probably see from the title, so this video is about Gritty. Yes, Gritty. If you don't know who Gritty is, I suggest you go look up who Gritty is. Gritty is basically this guy right here, yeah, that's Gritty. So who exactly is Gritty? Gritty is the most iconic and the most controversial mascot of the NHL, National Hockey League, yeah. Yeah, Gritty, basically there are so many teams in NHL, and definitely so many mascots for this team, but apparently Gritty is the most famous and the most popular mascot of all NHL teams. I've never encountered like a mascot anything like Gritty, so I absolutely adore Gritty and I absolutely love Gritty. He's the iconic mascot of the Philadelphia Flyers, an ice hockey team based in Philadelphia, yeah. So this character here is very special because it's not like the regular Gritty that you can find, and of course it's like a miniature version of the actual Gritty, which I would love to meet at some point of time in my life. Gritty is just so iconic. So basically, this character Gritty right here is not something that you can buy anywhere. This is a very special Gritty that is called the Itty Bitty Gritty, that is only available at this very special Gritty store in the the Xfinity Arena, which is previously known as the Wells Fargo's a sports center arena or something, that is that's where the home ground of the Philadelphia Flyers, where they are. And sometime in January this year, Gritty decided to open a Gritty, his own store called the Gritty Chaos Factory inside the Xfinity Arena. So basically, it allows fans to go, and watch a Flyers game, as well as visit the store and grab themselves one of this itty bitty Gritty, which is only available in the store itself. So basically, you gotta get a ticket to the game to access to the store. The store is not accessible if you don't have a ticket to the game. And this character is so popular that everybody wanted one of these. And I think sometime in May, June, the Gritty Chaos Factory decided to open up a online sale of these awesome dolls, and I think a lot of the items were sold out. So I don't get a chance to visit the Flyers home ground or to watch a Flyers game, so my chances of getting one of these itty bitty Gritty, the limited edition a game exclusive character, is almost zero. But unfortunately, I have a lot of awesome friends in the States, and apparently one of my friend, his name is Chris, he kind of visited a game recently, and he helped me pick up this Gritty door. So thank you so much, Chris, for flying this door all the way from US to Japan. So not a lot of information you can find online, but basically, I think this may be the only itty bitty Gritty exclusive that is in Japan. So yeah, it's the only Japanese Gritty. I'm sorry, man. I'm just so excited when it comes to Gritty. You should just check out his video. He's so wild, he's so crazy, and he's so awesome. And I'm not, I'm not really the typical grown man to carrying to carry a plush like that going around. But I'm in Japan, and I'm surrounded by cuteness overload everywhere, from Hello Kitties to Pokemon and whatnot. So yeah, I don't think it'll be weird for me to carry Gritty around and photograph him in different parts of Japan and whatnot. But unfortunately, this Gritty is not for me. It's for my son, because both my sons play ice hockey, and my son's favorite mascot from NHL is Gritty. So I decided to I went on this journey when I found about this exclusive Gritty. I went on this journey, try to search somewhere that I can buy one of these Gritty for him, but unfortunately it's only available in the Gritty Chaos factory. So thank you so much, Chris, for sending this over to Japan for me. So it's so cool. Look at that. So basically, what is so special about this Gritty as compared to other Gritties? Basically, when you get him in the store, he's like $39.99, which is like $40, it's not a lot of money, but he comes with a bunch of jerseys that you can buy in the stores, like the standard home jersey in white, and then you can also get like like a black third jersey. There you go. That's like $9.99 for it. And then I think you can also get like a, I don't know, like a, wait, what is that? Yeah, this is like, yeah, the orange jersey, and then you get the third jersey, the black one, and then you get, I think, the away white jersey. So you can get a whole bunch of like clothes for him to change in and out. As well as you can also grab like this winter holiday Santa Claus costume for like a $20 or something. So yeah, you can mix and match his clothes, or I mean, if you are very, very skilled in the sewing machine, you can sew him some clothes as well. So yeah, basically you can change out his clothing and everything. That's what's so special about this Gritty. Yeah, and I think they have this special pack where you can change his belly buttons, like different buttons, because that's what the real Gritty did. Like he has different belly buttons for different occasions, and there are also like I think 8 or 9 other different outfits that Gritty actually wears, wore over the years, like iconic, like the leprechaun suit, the bunny suit, the swimsuit, a whole bunch of them, like the, I don't know, like yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, I decided to just get some costume for him. So yeah, this is so cool. Thank you so much once again, Chris, for sending this on the way to Japan. Yeah, the only Gritty here in Japan. Look at that. He's big and he's large and he's in charge, And I think my friend Chris also sent a very, very special what is that jersey that I don't think I've any information on it. It says I usually only run to the bathroom. How cool is that? I think this design itself was for this like I don't know, like a charity run or something organized by Gritty and his gang. But I didn't know that you can actually get this in like a uniform for Gritty himself. So that's so cool. Don't know anything about these Gritty like a special costume. So if you have any information on this, you might want to let me know. And if Gritty, NHL Gritty, if you happen to check out this video, you might want to send me a message, because I've been trying to get hold of folks to maybe talk to them about sending me some stuff, or how I can purchase Gritty here in Japan. But yeah, no information. So yeah, I hope to meet Gritty one day, because Gritty is so cool. And I don't know, maybe someday Gritty should come to Japan as well, like promote ice hockey, because yeah, with a character like that, man, you're not gonna lose to any of the Japanese characters, man, like Pokemon and Pikachu and Hello Kitty and yeah, those are very cute. But I think Gritty is like my favorite character as well. So due to my influence, I think my kids are like crazy Gritty fans as well. Yeah, once again, thank you so much for sending this over. He has that squeaky thing in his hand. So yeah, thank you so much. That's basically this very, very short video talking about Gritty. I think there are a whole bunch of other Gritty products that I would love to pick up if I get a chance. So, but not anytime soon. I'll be visiting Philadelphia, so that will be maybe something for the future. I can always ask my friends to grab something and send them over to Japan, because yeah, it's the only one in Japan. Probably will be posting some pictures of Gritty up and with his like a mystery wrench backpack. Yeah, I like mystery wrench as well. So yeah, basically just a very short video for you guys. This is how the special edition of the itty bitty Gritty looks like. It's different from the regular versions. His fur is just so soft, and it has just this wow image, and every time I see Gritty, it kind of reminds me of my personal good friend Taylor Weldon, who has like this beautiful red beard as well. So yeah, this is like the cartoon version of Taylor Weldon. Yeah. Taylor Weldon, I said hi. Yeah. So he comes with his like a hockey helmet, but obviously he couldn't strap down everything, and you can remove his black underpants, which is sewn onto his body, but that's okay. And he's got these fat fluffy shoes, but no blades at the bottom. So yeah, maybe you guys should make like a full ice hockey costume set for him, like the shoulder pads, the hockey pants, and maybe hockey sticks and gloves, something. I think that would be a very good addition to to add to the Gritty doll itself. So yeah, basically very short video of Gritty here. Basically that's for my kid, not for me. Maybe I might want to get one for myself in the future because it's just so cute. I want to bring him to different parts of Japan, and maybe if I travel to somewhere like a Singapore or something, yeah, Greedy in Singapore would be cool as well. So yeah, basically that's it for this very short video. I hope you guys enjoy weird videos like that. So yeah, if you have any questions about this exclusive itty bitty Greedy and you want to get hands on one of these, you might want to find someone in the US to help you out. So basically, that's it. Take care and bye.